What's up, guys? I'm Chris with Holly Ridge Homestead, and today's video is just a quick update of things going on Homestead, the farm, the ranch, whatever you want to call it. So anyways, you guys know I've made this fly trap for the horse flies, and a lot of people don't think it's real, that it's actually catching these horse flies. But I wanted to give you guys a quick just view of this thing has been out less than 24 hours since we emptied it last, and I wanted to show you guys an update on what we got going on here. So I don't know if you guys can see that corner is plumb full. I don't know exactly how many you guys can see. There's got to be well over 100 in here, and I'm just pleased. I'm so happy. This thing is working. I clean it out just about every day. It's helping. It's catching the large ones, catching the small ones, and the horses are definitely happier. So another thing that's going on out here is we're buying a new horse for my daughter, a new barrel horse. This is her 14-year-old. Well, she's about 13, but she's 14, and this is her current barrel horse, which has been getting better as everything's going along with her training and her barrel runs. But we found we've been trying different horses, and her older horse, 21-year-old, it's no longer, we don't run her on barrels or anything of that nature. She just is our pasture horse. We trail ride her, stuff like that. And so we found this horse down in Texas. They are at the vet check having that done right now. It sounds like everything went well, and we are going to be finishing up the purchasing of that horse. Hannah will start her training on that horse tomorrow. So we bought her let's see, we hadn't even paid for it yet. We went and picked her up last week, and this has been the soonest that we can get the horse in to do a vet check. I wish I could have been there to film everything that went on the vet check, but anyways, so they'll be back here shortly with it. So the horsefly trap is working. I mean, guys, I just don't know how to. You guys, if you have, she's upset because she got left, and the other two horses are gone. Little pasture sour. Anyways, guys, if you got horses, and they're, especially if they're stalled horses, y'all need to build one or two of these. This is a must. The fly traps are still doing good, and I mean, it's just controlling our pests. You know, I had somebody say something like, "You're a killer." Really? You would rather me allow my animals, my horses, to just sit there and get bit, stung, and pestered, than try to reduce or try to help a horse that's in an open pasture, guys. But yet someone says I'm a killer because I'm catching horse flies and biting flies. There's really some issues going on with that person. Anyways, they're blocked. I don't like foul comments. I don't like negativity. You know, I deal with that enough on my daily job. So anyways, but look, let's look at the garden real quick. So we have a small garden. It's nothing huge. Tomatoes, you know, some cantaloupes. We had some watermelon, but well, I don't know what happened. They're gone. Anyways, cucumbers, squash, green beans. It's She's still over there fussing. Corn and some different types of cabbage and stuff. And look at this blackberry bush. It's starting to come along. We planted that. Y'all may have seen it on one of my videos. I planted these tubs. So far I like the tubs. That you don't have to come out and water as often. I am noticing that certain things work better than the others. Now I haven't planted a whole bunch of stuff in here yet to see what all is working in these tubs. I'll show you on the green bean string beans. It did not go well. I don't think they were getting the water down. I think I probably needed to hand water those a lot longer than what we did. But the blackberry, this is thornless blackberry bush. It's starting to do really well. I had a blueberry bush that we transplanted, and you can see that this one's doing really well over here. This one here's got some new foliage. I'm pretty sure birds are eating my blueberries, because I'll come out one day and there's blueberries everywhere, not ripe, but there's blueberries, and then I'll come out the next day, there's no blueberries. But over here we planted some cabbage. Obviously we've got some pest control issues, and but it's working, and something's eating my leg up. But so you can see some green onions, cabbage, green beans. This is what's left of our corn. We've been picking a lot on our garden, but we've been eating the corn. Small garden, guys, just tomatoes and stuff. Now, man, I tell you what, the hornworms, it was like one night we come out and just watered the garden and stuff of that nature. Plenty of foliage. Come in the next day, and all of a sudden up here at the top was you can tell had been eaten and chewed up. So you can tell it had been eaten and chewed up. So we knew automatically we had hornworms, and we ended up finding, I think, a total of, I don't know, like 7 or 8. So they were there, we just didn't see them. We expect them every year, and we pick them off, kill them, and go on. So for the past 3 days we've been checking it quite a bit, and have not found any more, but some's going to show up. We will. The cantaloupe's starting to look good. Won't be long before we got a couple in here that's going to look good. The squash is done. We've got a little bit down here that's trying to come up, and the green beans, I tell you, we've been eating a lot of green beans. A little bit of cucumbers still, but that's all it is, guys. Just I wanted to show y'all the string beans in the self-wicking tub. It didn't work for us. I don't believe that it's getting down there. Now, we did that from a seed, so I'm gonna have to do some different experiment on that. It didn't work for us on the string beans. I probably did something wrong. Probably not watered it enough. What's wrong, Star? Huh? What's wrong? Guys, can y'all see that big old horsefly trying to get her? Now tell me why I would not want to try to catch those and keep her from having to get bit and all bloodied up and stuff. Huh, girl? Huh?
picture, he was like, "You want a hat?" And I was like, "You trying to get money out of me?" And he was like, "No, they're free." And so he had a bunch of them, and I like, this is the best.
Move. Molly, come here. Hannah, wait. Get out of the way. Luna, move!
Dog, move.
Yeah, she just took a chunk out of it.
What happens to them?
Well,
Got a new horse.
introduce your horse.
This is Quick Chick. She did it.
So tell us your expectation here.
What do you mean?
Why did we get you a new horse?
Because that one isn't fast enough.
And what about this one?
She's really, really fast.
Can you handle it?
Yes.
Can you make it around the barrel without falling off?
Yes. They had to make her sleepy because she didn't like doing those x-rays.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because that room's really dark, you know, the one
Yeah.
where we had star stitched up. Yeah. Taking a whole roots and pine straw and everything.
So, we usually have our horses chipped, but we didn't have this one chipped.
And she's got a brand.
She has a brand. I'm gonna try to. Let's see if I can show y'all. You guys can see the horse flies are just trying to get her and everything. So they're gonna try to take pictures to post on their personal Facebook page. And so tomorrow is the first day of training for her, and we're just gonna kind of start them out slow, and we'll kind of go from there. Is this your All-American champion?
I don't know.
Believe it or not, this horse is small, probably smaller than all three of these together. But this horse has got a motor. She is extremely fast. And Hannah just has to get her timing down to be able to run barrels on her. And it shouldn't take too long. A couple of 2 or 3, 4 times on the barrels, full out. She'll get it figured out.
There was a horse that was bred from Docalina there. They had issues with its left-right hop.
No, they were just all of its hawks, but its
Well,
left
also-
rear was exposed.
He said she got caught up in the fence. Oh, let's get these pictures done.
Hey, we're twins. We're twins.
I wore that shirt yesterday.
Twins!
I wore that shirt yesterday.
Alright, so y'all fixing to get pictures.
Yeah.
And introduce the world.
I can post it that we welcome to the herd.
Let's do it this way because the wind's blowing.
This is Hannah's 3rd horse. We've got a lot of money in horse meat out here. And only a couple buckles, and she won't even let me have one.
Her eyes are like,
So pretty.
and a horse like you. He was like, wee.
Guys, that's just a quick update on the homestead, and I hope everybody has a good week this week. If I just really can't say enough about this horsefly trap. If you guys have not seen this before, it's working. I mean, it's working. Just look at them. I mean, I don't know if y'all can tell how many that is. I don't know if y'all can see how many is actually in there, but this thing is working. I was telling my wife, I wonder if we need to go ahead and build a few more and put them throughout the around the pasture, and we kill a bunch at night up there at the house just with our little fly swatter. But guys, again, I hope you guys have a good week. Just wanted to do a little quick update on what we got going on here on the garden, on the horsefly trap. And if you haven't already, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and we'll see you on the next video.